Exercise 7.3, question number first. Find the area of the triangle whose vertices are given. Given A is equal to 2, 3, B is equal to -1, 0, and C is equal to 2, -4. This is equal to x1, y1, x2, y2, and is equal to x3, y3. Area of triangle ABC is equal to 1/2 x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. Area of triangle formula is equal to half x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. 1/2 x1 is here 2 into y2 minus y3 0 minus plus 4 plus x2 is -1. So y3 minus y1, that is -4 -3, plus x3 is equal to 2, but y1 minus y2 is 3 -0, is equal to 1/2 2 into 4 -1 into -7 plus 2 into 3, that is equal to 1/2 into 4 2s are 8 -7 1s are +7 plus 3 2s are 6, that is equal to 1/2 into 21, implies 21/2 square units. Answer. Given A, B, C and area of triangle is equal to half, using the formula area of triangle is equal to half x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. Putting the value of x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3 in this formula, we get area of triangle is equal to 21/2 square unit. Answer. Question first, second part. A is equal to -5 -1 and B is equal to 3, -5. C is equal to 5, 2. That is x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Area of triangle ABC is equal to half into x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. area of triangle is equal to this, that is half into x1 is minus 5 and y2 minus y3 is minus 5 minus 2 plus 3 2 plus 1 plus 5 minus 1 plus 5, that is equal to 1 by 2 minus 5 minus 7 plus 3 into 3 plus 5 into 5 minus 1, that is equal to 4. This implies this is equal to 1 by 2, 7 5s are 35, 3 3s are 9 plus 5 4s are 20, that is equal to 20 plus 55 plus 9 64. 64 divided by 2 is equal to 32. This implies 32 square units. Answer. Given A, B, C and area of triangle, using the formula area of triangle equal to half x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2, and putting the value of x1 x2 x3 y1 y2 y3 in this formula, we get half into x1 is minus 5, y2 minus 5 minus 2 plus x2 is 3, y3 minus y1 minus minus plus 2 plus 1 plus x3 is 5 minus 1 minus minus plus 5. So we get minus 7 minus 5 into minus 7, 3 into 3 plus 5 into 5 minus 1 4, that is 35. 7 5s are 35, 3 3s are 9 and 5 4s are 20, and addition of 35, 9 and 20 is equal to 64, which divides to 32 times. So area of triangle ABC is equal to 32 square unit. Answer. Question number second. First part. In each of the following, find the value of K for which the points are collinear. A is equal to 7 minus 2. B is equal to 5 and 1. C is equal to 3 comma K. That is x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. Area of triangle ABC, half into x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. And if these 3 points are collinear, area is equal to 0. Half into x1 is 7 plus 7 into 1 minus k plus 5 into k plus 2 plus 3 into minus 2 minus 1, and area of triangle is equal to 0. 1 by 2 7 minus 7k plus 5k plus 5 2s are 10, that is minus 3 3 3s are 9, minus 9. So area is equal to 0, but half into minus 7k plus 5k, that is minus 2k, and 10 plus 7 is equal to 16, and 16 minus 9 is equal to 8, that is positive 8. So area of triangle is equal to 0. This implies minus 2k plus 8 is equal to 0. 2 is directly multiplied by 0, that will be 0. So 2k is equal to positive 2k is equal to minus 2k is equal to minus 8, means minus minus cancel and k is equal to 8 divided by 2 4 times. This implies value of k is equal to 4. Given a is 7 minus 2, b is 5 1 and c is 3 comma k, and we find the value of k, area of triangle ABC is equal to half into x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. It's area of triangle ABC, and if the points are collinear, then area of triangle ABC is equal to 0. Half into 7 into 1 minus k plus 5 into k plus 2 plus 3 into minus 2 minus 1. 7 multiplied by 1 is 7. 7 multiplied by k is 7k. 5k plus 5 2s are 10 minus 3 3s are minus 9. So 10 plus 7 is equal to 17, and 17 minus 9 is equal to 8. 7k plus 5k minus 7k, that is minus 2k. So area is equal to 0. So 2 multiplied by 0, that will be 0. Minus 2k plus 8 is equal to 0, means minus 2k is equal to minus 8. Minus minus is cancelled, and k is equal to 8 divided by 2, that is 4 2s are 8. So k is equal to 4. Answer. Question number second part. A is equal to 8 comma 1, b is equal to k comma minus 4, and c is equal to 2 comma minus 5, that is equal to x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3. Area of triangle ABC is equal to half into x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. Area of triangle formula equal to half into x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. But points are collinear, means area of triangle is equal to 0. Half x1 is here 8, and minus 4 minus minus plus 5 plus k minus 5 minus 1, plus 2, 1 plus 4. 1 upon 2, 8 into 1 plus k plus 2 into 5. 2 is directly multiplied by 0, that is equal to 0, but 8 minus 6k plus 10, this is equal to minus 6k plus 18 equal to 0. This implies minus 6k is equal to minus 18, minus minus is cancel, and k is equal to 18 divided by 6. 6 3s are 18. This implies value of k is equal to 3. We have given a 8, 1, b, k minus 4, c 2 minus 5, x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. So area of triangle ABC can be written as half x1, y2 minus y3 plus x2, y3 minus y1 plus x3, y1 minus y2. Using the formula, putting the value of x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3 in this formula, we get half into 8 minus 4 plus 5 plus k minus 5 minus 1 plus 2 1 plus 4, and solving this equation we get 8 into 1 plus k into minus 6 plus 2 into 4 plus 1 5. Points are collinear, means area of triangle equal to 0. 2 multiplied by 0, that is 0. 8 1s are 8 minus 6k plus 5 2s are 10 equal to 0. Minus 6k is equal to minus 18. 10 plus 8 is equal to minus 18, but k is equal to 18 upon 6, and 18 divided by 6, 6 3s are 18. K is equal to 3. Answer. Thank you so much.